What's up guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the supplies that you will need to get started to start properly detailing and washing your car. I put together this video to make it easier to make a list of supplies that you will need. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Anthony. If you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for your support and welcome back. So the first thing that should be on your list is 2 wash buckets. Now these can be any kind of 5-gallon pails, any kind of buckets, totes, whatever you want to do, whatever you can afford. But definitely you want 2 buckets because you don't want to be contaminating your soapy water with the dirty water that's coming off of your car and your mitt. Specifically, I have the Chemical Guys wash buckets right here that I got from them, and more importantly, I did invest, and I do recommend if you can do it, get the Cyclone Dirt Trap because it definitely helps out by trapping all the dirt on the bottom. You put these in the bottom of the pail once it's filled. So the next thing on your list is going to be a Microfiber Mitt to wash the car. And you have this style or this style, either one. They do both work. Now this one I like better because if I'm washing a specific dirty spot of the car, I can see where all the dirt actually is, whereas this one it's more tough to see where the dirt is piled up. But you do want to be scraping them on the bottom of your rinse bucket with the Cyclone Dirt Trap if you do get it. So you can pretty much pick up either of these styles at any auto parts store. I know they have them at Walmart, Target. Obviously you can look on Amazon, Chemical Guys, but the biggest thing is you do not want those sponges that are the really big hard ones that will hold onto the sediment, which causes swirls in your paint, and we don't want that. So the next thing that should be on your list is a set of microfiber towels. Now if you can, get specifically multicolored ones because I recommend you use different colors for different parts of your car. Specifically, I use red for my glass, and I use the blue if I'm buffing off anything like wax or polish, and I use dark blue if I'm doing anything with my wheels. You don't want to be using things that you buff wax off and then using it on your glass because you will see smearing on your glass, or you'll be moving stuff that you're using your wheels. You'll be taking like the brake dust and dirt, and you don't want to be using that on your hood. On the topic of using things for only specific spots, I recommend you getting yourself a set of detailing brushes. Now personally, I did mark one of them that I only just specifically use for the outside of my car. I use this on my wheels, I use this on the back to clean my exhaust tips, and these are the only ones that I use on the inside of the car. That way you're not damaging any of your plastics or any kind of other materials that are inside your car. Also, I have this brush right here that I think I got at Home Depot that I just use to brush the outside of my tires to get all that extra road dirt off of them. And I only use this for my tires, and I'm pretty sure I use this for the inside of my wheel wells too while I'm using another cleaner. So having specific brushes for certain tasks is, I can't stress it enough. You want to make sure that you have specific brushes for certain areas. You don't want to be taking this brush and doing the inside of your wheel wells and then also using this to clean the inside of your console. Like you'll be spreading all that dirt and rocks everywhere. You don't be, I don't know why you'd be scrubbing your console anyways, but you guys get the point. This would be a good time to talk about the inside of the car and cleaning. You want to get some kind of all-purpose cleaner that's specifically meant for the car. That's what they're designed for. You don't want to be just using an all-purpose cleaner that you use on your counters at home. Something that's going to be nice and designed for being gentle on the plastics, on the fibers of your car. Chemical Guys Inner Clean. There's a couple other ones that are on that website. You got to check them out. They are very good products, and I do stand behind them. You definitely want to get your hands on something like this that's going to be able to take off the body oils and dirt and grime that's built up on the inside of your car. Mainly the steering wheel is a big one that people don't really think about, and when you take this thing on there, you will be surprised by how brown black it is. It's crazy. This is great for the door handles, the shift, the console, any kind of, even like I spray like my dash, I spray my glass and like that in front. It works wonders, trust me. The next thing I recommend, if possible, is have a dedicated vacuum just for your car, not the one that you use to vacuum up leaves out of your garage or use in your household. They do make one specifically for car detailing. I'm not sponsored by this company, but I highly recommend the This Works car vacuum. I have a full review video right here. This is really great because you can plug it into your 12 volt in your car. You can take it anywhere with you, and it actually has a really good suction when you turn on the car, not just an accessory mode. Guys, I'm sorry. I lied to you. You're gonna need one more bucket just specifically for doing your wheels because you do not want to be using that wheel, brake dust, dirt all over the side of the car. I use my brush in here, and I also have another specific sponge that I use just for doing the wheels. As for wheels, you're going to want to add to your list a wheel cleaner. Now they have ones that are right out of the bottle that are just foaming ones to get the brake dust and dirt off of your wheels, or they have ones that need to be diluted in your own spray bottle. You guys pick your poison. This one I think was like $11 at the time of purchase, and this was like $8.99 at AutoZone, I think. But either way, both of these worked very well, and yeah, add them to your list. Thank me now or thank me later for putting this list together for you guys. If you do like cleaning, I think you're gonna get addicted to detailing your car. You're welcome, but as a way of saying thank you, I'd appreciate it if you guys like this video. It does mean a lot to me. So the next thing on your list is obviously gonna be a car wash soap. I'm not gonna ramble on about this because I have a full video right here on it. It's like one of the first videos I did. But yes, definitely get a halfway decent car soap to start out. If you spend a little bit of money on car soap, you're gonna get a little bit of results. That's how it works, guys. So last but not least, you're gonna want a drying towel that's just specific for your car, that you only use on your car when it is clean. If you can, try to get a microfiber drying towel. This one's from Chemical Guys. I think I paid maybe 20 bucks for it, but it is super absorbent. Trust me. This is good and it's worth the investment. So this is a really good investment because this is not gonna leave all those little fibers and streaks all over your car like a traditional bath towel will. All you do is basically just throw it on the car on top of the water and just drag it away, and it literally absorbs every last drop of water off your car. I just want to reiterate that this is a beginner starter kit list. This is not professional grade products. These are entry-level products at entry-level prices that can still get the job done. If you guys have any questions about any product that I mentioned today, or any product questions about something that you're thinking about getting, please feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to help. In the description below, I will list every product that I talked about today, as well as ones that I didn't mention and where I got them from, so that way you guys can actually start building up your own supply list for your own starter detailing kit. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did, again, please like the video. I do appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. Follow me on Instagram at BrandAutoMedia, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.